Imagine standing up from your chair and suddenly your legs shake, almost giving out. Most people think it's just aging, but it's a warning your legs are losing strength fast. In this video, I'll show 3 simple exercises better than walking to rebuild your legs. Like the video and subscribe before we dive in. There comes a moment after 60 when your body begins sending small warnings that you shouldn't ignore. Maybe your legs feel weaker when you get out of bed. Maybe standing up from a chair takes more effort than before. Or maybe you've noticed that long walks that used to feel easy now leave your knees aching or your balance slightly unsteady. And while many people think walking alone is enough to keep their legs strong, the truth is far more surprising, and even a bit alarming. Walking is good, yes, but if your legs are already losing strength, balance, and stability, walking by itself might not repair that weakness. In fact, for many seniors, relying only on walking can actually make leg problems worse over time because walking does not target the specific muscles that control balance, protect the joints, and prevent dangerous falls. And this is where the real issue begins. You might think leg weakness is just a normal part of aging, something everyone must accept. But what if the weakness you feel is not age? It's simply that the right muscles are not being trained. What if your legs could feel stronger, steadier, and more confident again, just by adding a few simple movements to your routine? And what if those movements could start repairing the very muscles that help you stand firm, prevent falls, and move with confidence? Many people don't realize this until it's too late. The small struggles, slower walking, shaky balance, difficulty standing, are early signs that your legs are asking for targeted help, not just more walking. This is why doctors and physical therapists warn seniors not to depend only on walking. You need exercises that rebuild functional strength, especially in the arms, chest, shoulders, and core, because all these areas directly support leg stability. And the good news is, you don't need a gym, equipment, or heavy workouts. You just need one simple, highly effective movement that begins waking up the muscles responsible for strength and safety. Number 3. The counter push-up. Now, this is not a normal push-up. This beginner-friendly version is designed specifically for seniors because it protects your wrists, shoulders, and back while strengthening the upper body muscles that help you stay upright, push yourself off the floor or chair, and maintain balance during daily tasks like climbing stairs, walking outside, or catching yourself if you slip. To perform a proper counter push-up, stand facing a kitchen counter and place your hands flat on the surface, shoulder-width apart. Walk your feet back until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Slowly bend your elbows, lowering your chest toward the counter while keeping your core tight. Then press through your palms and return to the starting position in a smooth, controlled motion. This movement retrains the connection between your brain and your muscles, which is extremely important after 60 when coordination naturally declines. It strengthens the chest, shoulders, triceps, and deep core muscles that support posture and stability. The best part? You can adjust the intensity. Step farther away from the counter for more resistance, or step closer if you want it easier. Just 8 to 10 controlled reps, 2 to 3 sets, done 3 times a week, can dramatically improve your upper body strength, overall balance, and ability to stabilize yourself during movement. Most people don't expect upper body exercise to help their legs, but you'll feel the difference within weeks because your entire body becomes more stable and more coordinated. And this is only the first step. Once you activate these essential muscles, you're ready for the next exercise that repairs balance at its core. Now that your upper body, shoulders, and core have begun waking up with the counter push-up, the next step is to repair one of the most important skills you lose after 60, balance. Most people don't realize this, but balance doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades slowly, so quietly that you barely notice it until one day you stumble on a small step, or you struggle to stand on one leg while getting dressed, or you find yourself grabbing onto furniture more often. And here's the shocking part, losing balance is not a normal part of aging. Even strong legs cannot protect you if your balance system is weak. What you need is a simple, powerful movement that trains your brain and muscles to work together again. Number 2. The single leg balance. This exercise looks easy, but don't be fooled. It directly targets the deep stabilizers that control every step you take. When you practice balancing on one leg, your ankle muscles start firing again, your knee becomes more stable, your hip learns to stay centered, and your core switches on automatically to keep your body upright. This one movement can dramatically reduce fall risk, increase leg control, and make everyday tasks like stepping off a curb, walking on uneven ground, and climbing stairs feel smoother and safer. And what makes it even more important is that balance is not just physical, it's also neurological. After 60, your brain needs regular balance training to stay sharp, responsive, and coordinated. The single leg balance is one of the simplest ways to do this. To perform it properly, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your chest, relax your shoulders, and gently activate your core. Slowly shift your weight onto one leg. Now, lift the other leg just a few inches off the ground. No need to lift it high. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds while focusing on staying tall and stable. Then switch legs. At first, you may feel your body wobble. That wobbling is not failure. It is your stabilizer muscles coming back to life. They are relearning how to control your joints, how to correct your posture, and how to support your body during movement. Every small shake means progress. If you feel unsteady, use a wall or chair for support. And once it becomes easier, you can slowly challenge yourself by closing your eyes or standing on a soft surface like a pillow. But always move at your comfort level. What matters is not perfection, it's consistency. 3 sets on each leg, done 3 times a week, are enough to reset your balance system and build a safer, stronger foundation for the next exercise. You'll soon notice small improvements that feel big. Standing from a chair without wobbling, walking more confidently, turning without losing balance, and feeling steadier during daily activities. Many seniors report feeling younger simply because their legs respond better. And the beautiful thing about this exercise is that it prepares your body for the final, most powerful movement in this routine, one that improves leg strength, boosts coordination, enhances mobility, and builds true functional power. Because once your upper body is activated and your balance stabilizers are awake, your legs are now ready for the most important movement for seniors who want strong, independent, reliable legs at any age. There comes a moment when your legs don't feel as strong as they once did. Maybe you notice it while standing up from a chair, or when you take the stairs and feel your knees struggle. Maybe your balance feels a little shaky, and you take one extra step to steady yourself. These small signs show one thing: the body needs strength, not just movement. Walking is good, but it doesn't train the muscles that protect your knees, support your hips, and keep your legs powerful. That strength comes from targeted exercises, and one of the best among them is Number 1. Step back lunge. The step back lunge looks simple, but it works your body in a smart and safe way. Unlike a normal forward lunge, which puts pressure on the knees, stepping backward protects your joints while still building strong muscles. When you take a step back and lower your body, your thighs activate. When you push up again, your hips and glutes take over. These are the exact muscles responsible for balance, walking power, and knee support, especially for people over 40, 50, or 60. The beauty of the step-back lunge is that it trains strength and balance at the same time. When you step back, your body must stabilize so you don't lose control. This small balancing effort wakes up deep muscles in your hips that walking never touches. These muscles are key for preventing falls, staying steady on uneven ground, and moving with confidence. Many people fear falling as they get older, but this single movement can reduce that fear by making your legs smarter and stronger. Here's how it works. You simply stand tall, step 1 foot back, lower your body slowly, and then rise again. It doesn't need equipment. It doesn't need a gym. You can do it in your bedroom, living room, or even next to your bed. The movement is controlled and slow, not fast or forceful. And when done correctly, it strengthens the entire lower body without stressing the joints. But the real magic is what happens inside your body. Your thigh muscles get stronger with every repetition. Your glutes, the muscles behind your hips, begin supporting your lower back better. Your knees feel more stable because the muscles around them tighten and protect them. Even your core activates, giving you better posture and smoother movement in daily life. Imagine doing step-back lunges for just a few minutes a day. In the first week, you feel your legs warming up quicker. After 2 weeks, getting up from a chair feels easier. After 3 weeks, your body feels lighter and more balanced. And after a month, you move with more confidence, the kind you may not have felt in years. Age doesn't stop muscle growth, inactivity does. Your body is ready to improve if you give it the right challenge. And this simple, safe, joint-friendly exercise can help you walk stronger, climb stairs confidently, and protect your knees from pain. The step-back lunge is not just an exercise. It is a small daily investment in your strength, your stability, and your independence. And the best part? You can start today, right where you are, one slow step at a time. When you put all 3 exercises together, counter push UPS, single leg balance, and step back lunges, something powerful happens inside your body. These movements don't just make your muscles stronger, they rebuild the support system your legs depend on. Counter push UPS train your upper body and core so you can move with better control. Single leg balance sharpens your stability so your body reacts faster and protects you from falls. And step back lunges make your legs stronger, steadier, and more confident with every step. Each exercise targets a different weakness that slowly appears with age. Weak thighs, unstable ankles, stiff hips, slow balance. These are the reasons many adults feel older than they actually are. But when you train the right muscles, the body responds quickly. Your steps become lighter. Your knees feel supported. Your hips stop hurting as much. Your movements feel smoother and safer. You don't just walk better, you live better. The best part is that these exercises do not require a gym, equipment, or complicated positions. You can do them at home, at your own pace, and still feel real improvement. Just a few minutes, 3 times a week, can help you rebuild strength that walking alone cannot give you. Now imagine the difference a month from today. Stronger legs, better balance, more confidence, less stiffness, and a body that supports you instead of slowing you down. These small daily steps can change your life more than you expect. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more simple, powerful health tips for you and your loved ones. Stay active, stay strong, and take care of your body, because you deserve to feel good at any age.